What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a video on the drag race runs I've had with the Daily Driver Project HHR. So people have been asking questions about some of the runs and exactly what happened. I figured I'd put something together real quick just to kind of show a comparison of my best run in the automatic versus my best run in the manual. So let's go. Alright guys, so this is going to be a quick video, just really going over a couple of the runs so far. So we're going to be analyzing the best run I had in the automatic HHR versus the best run I've had in the manual HHR. So my automatic basically had the same mods as I have now in the manual. The only difference is the manual has a bigger turbo and a different clutch. The automatic obviously is an automatic. But the automatic is a 4-speed versus the manual, which is a 5-speed. And some people have debated whether the automatic was actually a better choice for the quarter mile. I think the manual is still the better choice. But we're going to just get a quick comparison video and be on our way. So first, this is my best run in the automatic car. Here's my run in the manual car, a little rough on the start. I got walked by that STI. Okay, so let's try this with both runs side by side. Manual on the left, automatic on the right. Never get tired of seeing myself get walked by that STI. So now that we have those comparisons side by side, here are the track times for both. So the manual car had a 2.39 60 foot, whereas the automatic car had a 2.4 60 foot. The times were for the manual a 15.08 and the automatic a 15.35. So the biggest thing for me is actually watching the RPMs. Now that wasn't a focus when I was recording, so the quality here is going to be less than perfect. But just watch the RPMs and you can see there's a lot more room to move with the manual than there is the automatic. The automatic falls flat on its face after second gear. Third gear is incredibly long. It feels disgustingly soft. The manual car pulls the whole way in each gear, which is pretty clear in this video. This is slow motion and I zoomed in on the tachometer. Alright, so we're off. We're in first gear here. Manual's now in second. Automatic's in second. Manual's in third. The automatic is now in third. And the manual is now in fourth. So a whole extra gear basically in the quarter mile. Now, both 60-foot times sucked, but that is on the driver. I'm hoping to get back to the track in the next week or so. We got another video coming out, another track run, at least one more to end the year. It's been extremely busy with work and home life. Obviously, you see I'm back in the Waka Motorsports studio for the first time in a long time. The new roommate kind of took it over. But I'm hoping I can get back to the track in the next week or two, get some more footage, hopefully get that time down. We have the new clutch, twin disc, and I'm very hopeful I can break out of the 15s. If I don't get a time faster than 15 seconds, I'm going to sell the car. Mark my words. If I cannot break out of 15 seconds, I'll sell the car. I've worked too much, I've worked too hard, too much money put into this to have a 15-second car. If I hit 14.9, you know, I'll be happy with that. I digress. Stay tuned. We have a lot more content coming. Play with the car every week. Try and document all the stupid stuff I'm doing with it. We have a nice detailed video coming. Obviously going back to the track. Another couple of small things we've added to the car. Again, if you can, hit like, hit subscribe. Would really appreciate it. Feel free to leave a comment below on what you thought of this video and how much of your time I wasted with it today. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Until next time.